It is super frustrating losing a fish because the knot either broke or it slipped. Thankfully, there's a knot that won't do any of that. It's called the Palomar knot. It has the reputation of being the strongest knot in the world. It's super easy to tie, and it's my personal favorite fishing knot in most situations. Here's how to tie it. To tie it, I'm going to fold my line in half. That's going to form a little loop that I will thread through the eye of my hook. Now with this folded over line, I'm going to make an overhand knot and then start to pull it a little bit tight. That's going to form a little loop, and as I pull it tight, that's going to open up this loop here on the right side. I'm going to open that up and run the entire hook through that loop. Then I'm going to bring the entire thing up past the eye and start to pull it tight, but before I pull it all the way tight, I'm actually going to wet this with some spit so it slides together easier. That'll prevent any unnecessary wear on the line. Then I'll pull in the main line and the tag end to tighten the knot all the way, and I'll trim the tag end. And that's how you tie a Palomar knot. However, there is one situation where I don't really care tying a Palomar knot, and that's when I'm using circle hooks. And to learn my favorite fishing knot for tying circle hooks onto my line, I've got a video right here for that. I hope to see you guys over there. Thanks for watching.